Hello, Jay here with POP DTF. Today we will be removing the waste contents from the maintenance tank. And for this, what you will actually need is your used maintenance tank that's full. You'll need a brand new maintenance tank, one that you never use. You'll actually need something like a grocery bag. All of our kits come with a Ziploc bag as well as the replacement pads. We have these on our website at popdtf.com. And so you also need a weeding tool or something with a hook to actually pull the waste pads out. And you'll need your chip resetter for the maintenance tank. And if you purchase your printer through us, we include all of these things in our bundle. So firstly, what we want to do is to remove this seal. Now you can take a razor knife or a blade or some scissors and cut the inner wall out. And once you pry it away, you can actually expose this. This is good for two reasons. Because you can actually see the ink as it collects, and you can actually reset this and do this procedure 2 to 3 times before you actually need to change the content. So we want to peel that away right away so that we can see what's going on. What you don't want is for the ink to start to pool and then it starts to actually seep from this opening, and then you'll have a mess on the inside of the printer. So let's go ahead and place the tank inside of the Ziploc bag here. And what I want to do is just move it all the way to the left side here, and that will give us the chance to actually hook and move the contents as far to the right as we can get them. And that's why we recommend some sort of bag to collect these pads so that the ink doesn't get in it everywhere. All right, and the worst one is always at the bottom. Okay. Now we can slide this forward. And we can actually remove this if we wanted to. I'll do it just to show you. You can actually clean this further if you wanted to, some paper towels. Just be careful if you spray any sort of cleaner not to get it on the chip here, or you'll be in trouble. So for the sake of the video, let me grab this last piece out of here. So for the sake of the video, I'll go ahead and start inserting these. And you want to follow the contour. And these pads have little slits in them to make it easier to get these pads to lie flat perfectly. I like to actually push it a step further and just drop that into the center. You don't have to do that. And so you basically want to replace all 5 pads. Okay. And we had these die cut to fit into this chamber perfectly. Just make sure that when it gets done from the capping station, it can actually clear without the pad being in the way. So we have one more here. and we want to get this as flush as we can. And again, tuck this off to the side here just a little bit. Now, the only step that's left is to actually reset the chip here, but we can't just insert this right into the bay just yet. What you want to do is take that brand new maintenance tank that we never use, insert this into the bay, close the bay door, and then you'll see it read as empty from the printer's panel. And then you open the bay doors again, remove the new one, insert the reset maintenance box, and you should be good to go. If this video has benefited you in any way, please give it a like and actually share it with other people who may have a P5000 that may need to see this tutorial. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be updated as we release new content as well as tutorials and walkthroughs specifically for the P5000 as well as commercial units in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.